Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are walking you through the complete step-by-step first-time setup of the brand new Samsung Galaxy A27 5G. Let's get right into it. First, press and hold the power button on the side. You will see the Samsung logo followed by the Android animation. And finally, the welcome screen. Next, select your language. If you tap the drop down, you will see a massive list of options, including several regional Indian languages. For this tutorial, I will stick with English India. Pick yours, tap OK, and hit Start. Up next is the review screen. The end user license agreement and privacy policy are mandatory to agree to. But sending diagnostic data is completely optional. Check the required boxes and tap Agree. Now, Samsung will offer an easy setup option to copy settings from another device. If you want a completely fresh start or want to do it later, select Setup manually. Let us connect to internet. Select your Wi-Fi network and type in your password. Alternatively, you can use the QR code scanner in the top corner to connect instantly. Next, you will hit the Copy Apps and Data screen. If you are switching from an older Android or an iPhone, you can tap Next and follow the on-screen prompts to move everything over. To keep this video quick and straightforward, I am going to select Don't Copy or Skip. Don't worry, I will have a dedicated data transfer video coming out in the next few days. Time to sign into your Google account. This is essential for downloading apps from the Play Store and syncing your emails. You can skip this step, but I highly recommend logging in now. For this demo, I will hit Skip and Confirm. Next up is the securing your phone. You can set up face recognition, fingerprints, a PIN, password, or a pattern. To save time on camera, I will skip this for now, but make sure you set up a secure lock screen as soon as your phone boots up. On the Google Services page, scroll through the permissions. Toggle off anything you aren't comfortable with and tap Accept. Choose your preferred search engine from the list. Select it and tap Next. Now we have the Samsung account set up. If you have one, go ahead and log in. If you want to skip it, tap Forgot password or don't have an account and select Set up later in settings. Samsung will show you a quick breakdown of why a Samsung account is useful, but you can just tap Skip to proceed. For the Samsung service permissions, review them. Opt out of what you don't need and tap Agree. Time for personalization. Choose your display mode, light or dark. I will keep it on light mode for now and tap Next. On the recommended app screen, Smart Tutor is highly recommended for customer support. You can check or uncheck the other app updates based on your preference. Then tap Next. You're almost there. Tap Home. Once you land on the home screen, you will see a prompt for Samsung services. Tap Agree. If you want to install regional, curated apps, you can choose your language here. If you want to skip them entirely and keep your phone bloatware free, tap the X mark in the corner. Tap it one more time to confirm and hit Yes. Keep an eye on your notification panel for a few minutes while the phone finishes installing background updates and finishing up the skipped steps. And that's it. Your Samsung Galaxy A27 5G is completely set up and ready to roll. If this walkthrough helped you out, please drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.